Evening and welcome to another Ford B-Max video. This 2005 Ford B-Max, and we have a no crank, no start. So the complaint on this one is a no crank, no start. I'm sure I can verify that one easily enough. And Peter's, where's key? Have I still got key? So I think it should be easy enough to verify the complaint. And yeah, we definitely have a no crank on this one. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the battery voltage. I see camera's rolling, so right, what I'll do is check the battery voltage. I'll put the multimeter where it can be seen on camera, usually helps. So I think we've got good earth here. 12.46, so battery voltage should be fine. So we can eliminate a problem with the battery straight away. So the problem's going to be somewhere with our starter motor. So next I'm going to try scan for some codes. This is only cheaper one I got from Amazon. Right, and it appears we have one code. Let's say no codes. Try erase. Erase fail. Anyway, shouldn't stop it from spinning over on the starter. So see if we can have a look underneath, see if we can find anything. So another problem I want to eliminate is the clutch switch on these, which will stop it from starting. So just turn ignition on. Now if I press on the clutch, obviously nothing there. But to eliminate a problem with the clutch switch, I'll keep my foot off the clutch and I'll try to crank it over. And yeah, it's saying on display press clutch to start, so I think we can eliminate the clutch switch. So one more thing I need to check is the fuses. Now it's in the engine compartment fuse box, and here we have starter relay fuse, fuse 11, 30 amps. So we'll go into fuse box and we'll check that fuse. So we're here in the fuse box. Fuse 11, which is, get this the right way up. Let's look, it's that one. Fuse 11, and so look, we'll need to get this fuse out.
Get some blades.
Probably need something screwdriver or something. So yeah, we'll get that fuse out and check it, see if it's blown or not. So I've had a close look at this fuse and it looks to be intact, so we can eliminate that problem straight off. Well, it's a few days later and I've spoken to the owner of the B-Max, Lynne, and she ended up taking it into a garage because since I filmed the last bit, you know, we've had snow and stuff and rain and bad weather, and it wasn't really possible for me to get jacked up underneath it. Anyway, the verdict is the starter motor had actually failed. So she's got this garage to fit a new starter motor, so that should be the problem cured. And it also backs up what the recovery said when she called the recovery service out. They said starter had gone, so that's the end of this particular video. Hope you enjoyed it. So please remember to like, subscribe, share. Questions and comments, you know where to put them, or ring that notification bell, then you get notified when one of my videos comes out. And questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.